Hey guys, welcome back to Kids Craft by Three Sisters. Today we're at one of our favorite places, Hobby Lobby. And we're going to be getting some supplies to make peppermint bath bombs. And this looks so good, you could eat it, but it's just bomb. So the first step we need is citric acid. Let's go.
All the way in the back.
15, Scott, please stop.
Wait for me. When your sister is obsessed with paintbrushes. Guys, look at these paintbrushes, okay? You can get them at Hobby Lobby. Mom, can we get... So we found the citric acid, and now we need Epsom salt, I think. Yeah, let's go. Mom, can we look at the toys? Let's go. Look at all these different tile, guys. This is real tile. No, it's not. Now we need to get some dyes. So let's pick a couple colors.
What color do you need?
You're making red.
You're making a peppermint bath bomb, red and white.
So we need red and white. Guys, and
what are you doing?
we're gonna get this red dye. So now we have to go get the molds for our bath bomb. So let's go. So now we're gonna go check for the molds in the baking aisle. Mommy, look. Okay, you've gotten that once, haven't you? Guys, this is why...
Hey guys, welcome back to Kids Craft by Three Sisters. You better have not grabbed the one I grabbed.
Please get us, please. Hey guys, we just got back from Hobby Lobby, and we're going to show you how to make these peppermint bath bombs. We love making bath bombs, as you can see. We've made a couple other videos on them, but it's a perfect gift for the holidays, and you can make them yourself, so people will really enjoy that. And you might even have these items around the house. So the things we want you to gather are 1 cup of baking soda, half a cup of citric acid, 1 teaspoon of water, 3 teaspoons of olive oil or avocado oil. We are going to be making 2 types of bath bombs, one in the silicone mold and one in the regular bath bomb mold, which is a circle. You see those 2 holes right there? Well, we're gonna cover those up with paint so the bath bomb make sure doesn't fall out. The last thing you need is some kind of natural food dye or just a regular dye. This one is from How to Look Pretty, which is all natural, and this one is from Hobby Lobby. But before we show you guys how to make peppermint bath bombs, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. For more videos in the future, make sure to hit the notification bell. And if you're new to our channel, hi, I'm Riley, I'm Reese, and I'm Grace. So let's get started! The most important part of this craft is to make sure you mix all your wet ingredients into one bowl and all your dry ingredients in the other. First, Reese already explained this to you, but I'm gonna add my cup of baking soda. It's the holiday season. Hoop-dee-doo and dickory-dock. Half a cup of citric acid. I love the taste of baking soda. Half a cup of citric acid. This is what's gonna make your bath bomb fizzle up. Since we're making peppermint bath bombs, instead of using essential oils, we chose to use spearmint scented bath salt, but it's pretty close to peppermint. It smells so good, Mama. And now you gotta mix all your dry ingredients together because you're cool and you're cool and you're going to set your dry ingredients aside and start your wet ingredients in a separate bowl. 1 teaspoon of water. Now we're going to add 3 teaspoons of olive oil. We are using avocado oil, but either one works. Now you're going to slowly add your wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and quickly mix it or else it'll start to activate and you don't want that. So we're going to split our mixtures up into 2 bowls. We're going to put a little bit of white into this bowl and then put some red food coloring into this one and leave this one white because we're going to be making peppermint bath bombs, so peppermint's red and white. When it gets to a certain point, you can probably start kneading it with your hands like I am now. So now I'm going to split my mixture up into 2 parts right now. So now I'm going to add red apple from How to Look Pretty. I'm using the red from Hobby Lobby. So now you're gonna layer it. So you can either go peppermint white or white peppermint. I'm doing peppermint white because she needs red white. Now I packed one, and now you're gonna go add it into the freezer to dry. I'm going to layer it like this and then do a little stripes with white. We did 2 methods. We did this method with the silicone mold, and we did a ton of different designs. We did swirls, and we did flat ones, which have the white on the inside. And we also did these little peppermint balls, which look super cool. We're going to let them freeze for 24 hours, and then we're going to open them up and test them. We've let our bath bombs freeze for 24 hours, and now we're going to pop them out of the mold. So let's pop them out. Whoa, that looks so cool. Take it on the other side. Now I'm going to open open up my bath bomb. I'm gonna use a spoon to tap the edges. So you're just gonna do this and it should release the mold and you can take your bath bomb out. Ooh, that's cool. Since we're going to be giving these out as gifts, we're going to wrap them in cellophane so they look like real peppermint candies. We're going to use mine as a test to show you how they fit. Now I'm going to drop mine in the water. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, look at the water. It smells, oh, that smells really peppery. Our next video will be on personalized soap, so stay tuned for that one. Bye! Bye! Thanks for watching! Hey guys! We just got back from Hobby Lobby treat. Now we're going to show you guys how to make Yankees peppermint bath bomb. Stop! Now! Let's film! Who is the best? Magical.
Don't add anything, we can use that as gifts.
Happy holidays, Merry Jolly Christmas. Now that know-it-all is done, and I know Riley just turned on the camera and she's making me say all this stuff for bloopers, but it's so funny, so Mom, can I open the baking soda like a pig? See you next week. Bye.